Welcome back. So in the last lecture we talked about setting up our Laravel application. Now we're going to add a new page, but before we do that, let's make sure everything is running. So let's go ahead and get PHP artisan serve. All right, and let's go check in the browser. And if we refresh, everything still works great. Let's go back to the terminal real quick. I'm using iTerm as my terminal just to run things, but let's move inside the code editor. So I like using the integrated terminal here. Just Control Shift tilde. And let's go ahead and stop the one that I have running in the terminal, other terminal I should say. Perfect. And let's stay inside the code editor. You can do it either way. They both do the same thing. Same thing as we did before, PHP artisan serve. And just let's go back and make sure everything's running. Great. All right, so we want to create a new page. And first thing we'll do is define a new route. So how we do that is we're just going to add something to the end of our local URL and try to go to that page. And as you can see, it doesn't exist yet, so we get a 404 not found. So let's go to our route file for the web app, which is web.php. And you can see we have the welcome route, or for where there is no route after the main page, and it takes you to the welcome page. So let's create one for our new page, which is my new page. And let's define the function that will return our new view, which will be our new page. All right, so return a view, which will be called, for simplicity, my new page. All right, so as you can see, the views are living, or the files that return the views are in the resources views folder here. So you can see the welcome has a suffix of blade, which lets Laravel know that it's a view page. And it has a bunch of built-in functionality. So we'll do the same thing, my new page.blade.php. And let's just do some simple HTML. And change the title. And let's just do a paragraph tag in here with some text. There we go. Hello world. Let's go ahead and save it. And refresh. Perfect. It worked. It's pretty much how simple it is, and Laravel has a very robust way of making it simple. So as you can see, we made a route, and really it's that simple. In future episodes, we'll talk more about a better way of doing this, and once you have more pages, it's going to be necessary to have controllers to serve up views, but for now, I think this gives you a good idea. Next up, let's create a form.